Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of construction with some groundbreaking technologies that are revolutionizing the industry. Forget about slow, clunky methods. These innovations are changing the game, making construction faster, smarter, and even more creative. Let's get started. First up, we have the Fix2 GT mounting adhesive. This isn't your average adhesive. It's super strong, quick setting, and perfect for all your heavy-duty projects. Imagine hanging up heavy items without the need for nails or screws. That's the power of Fix2 GT. Just apply, press, and it's ready to go. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, and it bonds with virtually any material. This saves you time, frustration, and lets you focus on the creative aspects of your project. Next, we're talking about a brick revolution. Unity Brick is a game changer. This innovative system uses interlocking components that allow you to build strong, beautiful walls with incredible speed and ease. This modular brick system is changing the way we think about bricklaying. With its unique interlocking design, it makes construction faster, easier, and more efficient. Plus, it looks fantastic. Just look at how seamlessly these bricks fit together. It's like building with Lego, but for adults and on a much larger scale. Dry stack. Here, this worker is lifting these bricks and putting them inside this machine and making small holes in them with the help of this machine. You must be thinking that why is this being done? So let us tell you that in the technique of dry stack bricks, the wall is built using these special bricks. After making a hole in the bricks with the help of this machine, then a plastic hook is used in these holes. This hook is at an equal distance according to the holes made on the bricks by the machine, and after putting this hook in it, the bricks can be fixed with each other, due to which the bricks remain stable. Flexible bricks, Robotics FA. These thin layered tiles give a brick-like design to the wall. They are placed on the other side of the wall before being placed on the wall. After that, a thin plaster is applied there, and then these thin bricks are glued to it. Here it is necessary to have a good skill of the craftsman, so that he can put the tiles of these flat bricks in the right angle and in the right position. They can also be cut so that they can be put on the wall according to the space available. Once they are put on the wall, the empty space in between them is given the final finishing through the brush. After which, the walls of the building start looking very beautiful. Introducing Cupolex, a revolutionary foundation system that integrates insulation and structural stability. It's perfect for sustainable construction projects. It not only provides excellent thermal insulation, but also reduces the amount of concrete needed. Cupolex is a lightweight, high-performance insulation material that delivers superior performance. It keeps your buildings cool in the summer and warm in the winter, all while being easy to install. For those looking for a rustic yet modern finish, check out S7 Cedar Impression. These panels mimic the look of cedar wood, but with the durability of advanced materials. They're weather-resistant and maintenance-free, perfect for giving your home that timeless cedar look. Want the rich look of cedar shingles without the maintenance hassle? S7 Cedar Impression has you covered. This innovative siding gives you the beauty of natural cedar with the durability and low maintenance needs of modern materials. It's a win-win for both aesthetics and practicality. Next up, Madam Wall. This prefabricated wall system makes building walls a breeze. It's quick to install and offers excellent insulation properties. It's perfect for both residential and commercial projects, providing a sturdy and energy-efficient solution. Craving a touch of modern elegance? Madam Wall offers prefabricated wall panels that come in a variety of stunning finishes. These beauties are perfect for quick and easy installation, allowing you to achieve a high-end look without the fuss of traditional methods. Let's talk about versare modular flooring. This flooring system is versatile, easy to install, and incredibly durable. It's perfect for both temporary and permanent installations. Whether you're setting up a showroom or renovating your home, Versare has got you covered. Versare modular flooring is here to simplify your life. This innovative system lets you mix and match different materials, like wood, tile, or even carpet tiles, to create a truly unique and personalized floor that perfectly complements your design vision. ACS Facades is another game changer in the construction industry. These advanced facade systems offer aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. They're customizable and perfect for modern architectural designs. Want a sleek, modern facade for your building that makes a statement? Look no further than ACS facades. These lightweight, prefabricated panels offer a wide range of design possibilities, from classic to ultra-modern. Imagine customizing the entire exterior of your building with a single innovative system. Next, for retaining walls, check out Stone Strong. These large blocks are easy to install and incredibly sturdy, perfect for creating durable retaining walls quickly. They interlock seamlessly, ensuring stability and strength for your landscaping projects. For projects that demand exceptional strength and durability, Stone Strong is a next-generation concrete mix that's here to play. This powerhouse material is ideal for high-traffic areas, bridges, or any project where heavy loads need to be supported. Stone Strong, it's the name you can trust for ultimate strength. Ever heard of concrete bag retaining wall? This innovative solution uses bags filled with concrete to create sturdy, flexible retaining walls. It's a quick and effective way to manage soil erosion and create strong barriers. These pre-filled bags are incredibly strong and stack easily, creating a stable and attractive retaining wall without the need for heavy machinery or complex construction techniques. It's perfect for DIY projects or small-scale landscaping. Like cast, here these technicians are using precast concrete panels on the roof. These panels are very helpful in roof construction. In the buildings or small houses where only one roof has to be built, this type of precast concrete panel is used. These blocks are much lighter than concrete blocks in weight, but their strength is much higher. They are gradually stuck in the place made of concrete or iron poles on the metal roof, and due to which a roof frame is also gradually being prepared. Once these blocks are laid completely, a thin layer of concrete is also applied on them, due to which the joints between the blocks are hidden, and these blocks are also held together. Meet ReadyWall ASF Formwork, a versatile and efficient formwork system that's perfect for a wide range of construction applications. It's quick to set up and ensures precise, clean finishes every time. Need to build walls quickly and efficiently? ReadyWall ASF Formwork is your answer. This innovative system uses prefabricated panels that lock together to create smooth, strong walls without the need for traditional framing. ReadyWall ASF saves you time, labor costs, and allows you to focus on the finishing touches of your project. ReadyWall AFS Formwork. Here, a different type of walls are being made for which a special sheet of metal is used. These are first put inside the shelves on the floor, then the long panels are brought and they are fixed one by one in the metal panels fixed below. Once they are erected, iron rods are inserted in the empty part, so that they can be given a lot of strength. After the rods are inserted, the concrete mixture is also inserted in them from the top side. If the concrete mixture can reach inside these panels properly, then it is reduced with the help of a vibrator and it is brought to the corners. After that, this concrete is left to dry, and when the concrete dries the metal panels, it is not removed but left there, and the final finishing is given by painting on it. Thermocol is not very strong, but it is still used in many construction works in large quantities. Here, these craftsmen build the walls of the house with the help of these thermocol, for which they make an external form of the wall with the help of these thermocol pieces. At the same time, to make the wall stronger, slag is also used in them, and then the concrete mixture is blown in the empty part of the thermocol. And when half of the wall is solidified, then thermocol and slag are fixed on the upper part of the wall and concrete mixture is added to it and it is made. And when a house made of these walls is ready, then this house makes it more durable and suitable to live in all kinds of weather. In many countries, people's houses are very close to the highway. So in this case, they are very worried about the noise coming from the traffic on the highway. To solve the same problem in some countries, such sound panels are installed on both sides of the highway. These sound panels are made of special wool and their thickness is much more than other sound panels. These panels come in many shapes, because of which they can be installed at a very high height on the highway. It is also very easy to install them. Once the iron poles are installed, they just have to stay there with them, and then they start working. After installing these sound panels, the noise of the highway reduces to 30 decibels, which means that the noise of the people living next to the highway reduces to 50%, so that they can live in their homes without noise for a long time. These innovative construction technologies are taking the industry to new heights, making building faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.